Hi, hello everyone. Namaskara ellarigu. So this is a Kannada story level book for children, the level 1. But the speciality of this book is it is a transliterated story book. So are you wondering with what is transliterated book? So here I'll show you the example. In the transliterated book, you will be having a story in Kannada as well as in English. And also the transliterated version, that means the Kannada story will be written in English. Okay, so this book will help for both script readers and non-script readers. If you're already a script reader, then the children especially, you can use this, and parents, you will get a help from this one. And if you don't know the script, if you're an adult, then you can go with the English and the transliterated version. So I have a hard copy also for this book and for all the books that is being published from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani this time. Very soon I'll be updating with the link where you can buy the soft copy. If you need a hard copy, you can just let me know. So this is all about the new story book, and this is a level 1. There is also a level 2 and also the grammar book which is coming up very soon for everyone. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Stay tuned for more updates from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani.